What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix access violation C0000005 error in Red Dead Redemption. So if you're having this issue with Red Dead Redemption, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. Now, if you're getting this issue, most likely the issue itself is due to some permissions on the game itself. So you want to look for Red Dead Redemption here on your PC, and you want to go and right click on it. Like for example, this one, you want to go and right click on it. You want to go to show more options, and you want to go to properties. Now in here, you want to go ahead and choose compatibility. Now you want to choose the option here that says run this program in compatibility mode here, and you want to make sure that you choose Windows 7. Now also in here, you wanted to also change this to run this program as administrator, and you can go and just select the disable full screen optimization as well and click on apply and OK and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, another thing that you could try doing here to fix this problem is to basically make sure that you're using the correct GPU. Now especially if your laptop has 2 GPUs, so if you're not aware yet, some laptops may have an Intel GPU, which is the built-in GPU for your laptop or your PC, and you can also have a dedicated GPU. Now, sometimes Red Dead Redemption may be using the lower or the weaker GPU that you have right now, like for example, the Intel GPU. So how do you make sure that you use the correct GPU here? So you want to go to search here and just type in graphics. You want to open up graphics settings. Now, under graphics settings here, you want to go and just look for Red Dead Redemption. Like, for example, this one, expand it. And you want to go and choose the GPU preference here. Now, you want to make sure that you're using the dedicate or the GPU or the high-performing GPU here, not the Intel one here, because Intel is like for power saving here. But again, you want to use the high-performance option here. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and close this one and start running it and see if that helps. Now if none of this works, the final thing that you could try doing here is to basically try repairing the game itself. So for example, if you got Red Dead Redemption here via Steam, what you need to do is you want to look in your library here, you want to go and right click on it, and you want to go to properties, and you want to go and choose the install files option and click on verify integrity of game files. Now to be speaking, this will double check the files that you currently have right now on your PC and just make sure that you have the latest or the correct files in here. But yeah, so it might take a few hours or a few minutes depending on how big the game itself, but usually it's going to be an hour since Red Dead Redemption here is quite big, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.